Happy Wednesday, guys. Good morning. Let's start with crypto, Bitcoin, and Ethereum. We'll review all of the major indices, including S&P 500 and NASDAQ. We'll review all the major FANG stocks. We'll review all the commodities, and then at the end, we'll wrap up with VIX. And please hit the like button, guys. Only takes 1 second to hit the thumbs up button. I will really appreciate and share this channel with friends and family and help this channel grow. All right, so let's start with Bitcoin. Bitcoin is in front of this massive resistance. You can see this white line. And the good news is green line is still above red line. You can see this is PPO. Whenever that crossover happens, this is a very good sign for the bulls because you can see when this last crossover happened here, sometime here, you can see crossover green line above red line. We had nice pump of around 27% here. Same thing here. Whenever that crossover happens, we usually get a nice pump. You can see here from the top 20%. So it's already happened. Now we have to be careful. If this goes below green line goes below red line, then that's not good. Okay, as far as it's as long as it's above red line, everything is good for the bulls. And the next target, we got a nice rejection yesterday, so but this can still be above. You can see this low, this low, this low is still above these previous lows, so this could still be higher low. And if Bitcoin bounces from here, all depends on NVDA earnings tonight. So if earnings are good, it can bounce, and then the bounce can take it to this next resistance of also a bounce from here will take Bitcoin to around 14% up, which is around 69K resistance. All right. And on Ethereum is gonna behave similar to Bitcoin, still making a higher low. And on Ethereum futures, there are so many gaps. So there's a gap around 3,000. There's a gap around 39,463. These will be filled. I just don't know when. So even if you're gonna take a Ethereum trade, first gap fill is 20% away, second gap is 56% away. Now Bitcoin really needs to pump and go near the 70K for Ethereum to recover for now. All right. So just wanted to share that. And in terms of levels, my buy and sell zones, so you can see this chart here is only for day trading. Green lines are where we buy, red lines are where we sell, and we are in the buy zone. So you don't want to be shorting Bitcoin here. You want to be buying because there's going to be a bounce. And when that bounce comes, it's going to be from here to at least 3% away to around 61%. And on Ethereum, the level resistance is around 2600. Okay, so a bounce from here to there is almost around 4% away. So just wanted to share with these two with you. And if you want to know more about these levels, join my Discord channels. Click on the join button in the description of this video, and join. I shared the screenshot of these levels and also all of the major indices to my members. Any stocks you like S&P 500, triple Qs, or Tesla, Apple, I share these levels live market, and also the share trades I'm taking. I share with you as well. So uh, join in. All right. So let's move to now cycle analysis of S&P 500. And you can see if I zoom in here, you can see we are looking for a declining phase right now. This declining phase started last Friday, and now we're looking for a little bit of decline into um, for second week of September, and then a new high. All right. So looking for some consolidation now. Today's NVDA earnings, and if earnings are good, we could get a massive bounce to a new all-time high. It could break out, or other way, if earnings are bad, there are some couple of gaps around 110, maybe a gap here around 86. So we'll see which one they fill. But this looks like a flag technically. So a breakout could be in 150s if everything goes well with NVIDIA. We'll see how it goes. Just wanted to keep that in mind. And let's do also MES live market here. You can see we are also trying to flag still above all the moving averages and holding nicely above this green line. So everything is looking good. On MNQ, NASDAQ, you can see NASDAQ is also in the neutral zone right now. And if I go to triple Qs, which is the cash index, there's a gap at the bottom. Earnings bad will fill this gap. Earnings good will fill top gap. So we're right in the middle, and earnings will decide which way we go. Dow Jones is here, also in the middle neutral zone, and prices above all moving average, very bullish, and again it's developing a nice bull trend slowly and surely. All right, give me a second, guys. I gotta take a call. All right, going back, here you go. So Dow Jones is above all moving averages, looking very bullish. Russell 2000 is in the buy zone right now as we are talking. If I look at IWM, there's a gap at the top, there's a gap at the bottom, so we're right in the middle, also looking very bullish. Prices of all moving average. You don't want to short it here, near buy zone here. All right. Let's move to Hang Seng Index, China. China is also in the buy zone, touching the buy zone as we're speaking. So you want to be buying here. Alibaba's Baidu, Tesla. Let's look at Tesla here. Also in the buy zone as we're talking, down 0.8%. Not able to close above this trend line, this white trend line. So really want to close above this. It's here around 218, let's say, right, to be bullish. Apple is also in the neutral zone right now. All right. Amazon is in the buy zone as we're talking. Multiple gaps, good trade to buy. Netflix made a new all-time high yesterday, right? Trying to close above that now, pushing towards that near sell zone. Google is another good buy. Multiple gaps, yellow lines to the upside possible. Meta Facebook is also back testing this white trend line, so still holding support. Microsoft is also bouncing from the buy zone. Snowflakes is in the buy zone right now. And you can see here, earnings gap is here, so still could be a nice trade. NVDA is, you can see, let me go to NVIDIA here. Bounce from the buy zone yesterday. Nice bounce as soon as it touched green line. So that was a nice profit. And now in the neutral line. So NVIDIA earnings is going to be key. Like I said, flagging could go higher to 150s, or if a breakdown will be 110 is coming from where we are right now. Worst case, we are 110, but not see below that. Worst case, AVGO is also in the neutral line, bouncing from the white line, holding support here. And commodities real quick. Gold is bouncing from the buy zone here. Silver is also in the buy zone. Copper is also test going towards 200 EMA SMA, holding this support, and copper can also follow gold and silver very soon. Crude oil, nice couple of days pump. Now we're getting rejected. Still could be higher low or higher high. Sorry, so this is higher low before it makes a higher high in the buy zone right now. You don't want to be shorting oil here. Natural gas in the buy zone. Palladium is in the buy zone. Soybeans is going towards buy zone. Sugar after next couple of days of pump, last couple of days of pump, holding towards all above all moving averages. Wheat is also near resistance right now. Corn is trying to make a bottom. Dollar index is in the sell zone right now, but near support. So that's not good news for stock market if dollar bounces. Gold and Bitcoin can go lower. So just keep that in mind. It's near nice support here. So that's something you need to pay attention to. And that's it for today, guys. Let's wrap up with VIX. VIX is up. Let's see if VIX can bounce from here. That's not going to be good for stock market. It could bounce a bit if SPX goes down, like I'm projecting. So VIX will bounce, else VIX will crash. But all depends on NVIDIA. So we'll see how it goes. All right, guys, that's it for today. Hit the like button on your way out, and I will talk to you later. Bye.